Hailed Wall Street Willie. What are the advantages of investing in an IRA? The biggest benefit of an IRA is its tax-advantaged nature. Unlike a regular brokerage account where you contribute post-tax money and have to pay taxes on earnings, for an IRA you only have to pay taxes when you withdraw money in retirement. And in most cases, you can deduct contributions to reduce your taxes. There are also no age restrictions on contributions as long as you have earned income in that tax year. You have flexibility in timing your contributions. You can contribute your full limit in a single day or spread it over the year. You also get extra time to contribute until the tax filing deadline, which is usually April 15th of the following year. Also, no matter your income, you can contribute to an IRA. You can deduct up to the full deduction limit as long as you or your spouse don't have a workplace retirement account like a 401k. If you do, you can still contribute to an IRA, but the amount you can deduct may be reduced based on your income. There are a variety of investment options like stocks, bonds, CDs, mutual funds, ETFs, etc. to choose from based on your investment goals and risk tolerance. While there is a 10% early withdrawal penalty for withdrawals before age 59 and a half, you can withdraw penalty-free for certain exceptions. This makes an IRA a great option for unexpected medical emergencies, paying for college education, and buying your first home. That sounds great! So should everyone have an IRA? Investing in an IRA is a great choice if you plan to use the money only in retirement, will likely be in a lower tax bracket in retirement, or you and your spouse don't have access to employer-sponsored retirement plans. But make sure to consider all possible retirement accounts based on your needs. To learn more about 401k, another great retirement account, watch the video on your screen. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.